Today we're going to make an in-frame laminating video for Samsung S8. This screen is good screen. We're going to test it before we separate the glass. There's some problem on the color, but the touch is no problem. Okay, we're going to separate the glass on the hot separate machine. We're still using these cut tools to cut the top side glass, and then later we will make the cutting wheel go inside easier. When you use this cutting tool, be careful, don't cut the frame. The top side frame glue and the glass come out together. And another side also take out the frame and broken glass. Okay, now as you can see, the cutting wheel can go into the broken glass very easily after you cut the top side glass. Okay, now we're going to take out the front glass and use that glue remover tool to remove the glue. And later we will laminate this screen with orange in-frame lamination mode. When you're cleaning the glue with this tool, make sure you're already cleaning the broken glass on the screen. Otherwise, it will damage the screen. This liquid is alcohol. It won't damage screen and it won't damage flags. Okay, we already finished the glue removing, and now we're going to test it. To test the screen to see whether it's still working or not. Okay, still good. It's not damaged and everything works well. Now we're going to laminate. Okay, now we're going to laminate ochre glue on the front glass. This is the screen, and we just tested. This is good screen, and we're going to laminate 2 pieces ochre on the front glass. Okay, here we go. We're still using our Simking Samsung 8 green mode. This mode can use to laminate ochre and laminate glass and also laminate the screen. If you are doing in-frame laminating, you have to make sure you are using the thick ochre. Otherwise, you have to stick 2 pieces to avoid the bubble problem and avoid the waves. After we stick the ochre, we're going to remove bubble to make sure there's no bubble problem. Okay, we change to laminate edge ochre, and the vacuum time we set to 25 seconds and the hold time we set it to 30 seconds. Okay, now it's already finished the stick first pieces ochre. Now we're going to remove bubble. We set the bubble remove time for 10 minutes. Okay, now first pieces glass is remove bubble for 10 minutes. Now we're going to continue laminate second pieces ochre glue. Now we already stick the second pieces ochre glue on the glass. We have to make sure there's no bubble, so we're putting bubble remover to remove bubble for 10 minutes. Okay, now we're going to check the result. 2 pieces ochre already removed bubble. We stick 2 pieces ochre on the glass. Now we're going to change to use this orange in-frame lamination mode. This is good screen. The touch is no problem. We already tested it after we separate the glass. 说的有点套路。2 pieces all cup installed on the front glass. We're just going to alignment the glass on LCD by hand. Make sure the glass is put inside the frame. You can alignment glass according to the frame. Okay, now we change to Laminate Edge LCD. Vacuum time and hold time. Vacuum time we set to 35 seconds and the hold time we set it to 120 seconds. Here we go. Okay, now we're going to check the result. Okay, as we can see, there are some bubbles. We'll put in bubble remover to remove bubble for 25 minutes. Okay, I already removed bubble for 25 minutes. Let's go to check result. As you can see in the video, there's no bubbles at all. There are some waves, but this is okay. You can keep it for 2 or 3 days and the waves will get out. Let's go to connect with the board to see if this screen is still working or not. Okay, it turned on. Later we are going to check the touch. Perfect, it's still working. Very good.